building pad in this lesson. So let's go to our main floor. What if we just start the building pad right from here? Site and massing, and we go up and say building pad. Okay, building pad 1, did we have different types? Okay, let's check the properties of that. Edit the structure. It's 1 foot thick and it's using default material. Okay, fair enough. Usually we use the pad to remove material and then we turn off the visibility anyway. So the material, unless you're actually physically creating a concrete pad, then you would be more concerned about the material. It's the elevation it's at that's critical, and the bounding edges. So we hit OK. That seems to be good, and I'm going to use the pick walls. I'm going to look over here. I'm not going to say extend into core. Actually, I think I will, because that'll bring it right up to the concrete and it'll go past the cladding. That's a good idea. So then I'll go click on here, and you see where it's going? It's going to the core of the wall. Great idea. Pads are easy to make. There we go. Notice I picked here instead of that curtain wall. And what's the elevation? Ooh, second floor. That's not going to do at all. We want it at, did we not go at, we went top of footing, and then it went around the footing, which is good, and then I think we wanted a thickness of a foot, which we did have in there. Height offset is good. Let's go with that and hit finish. Click out, go to a section. Zoom in here. Looks like our pad is doing its work. Okay, there it is right there. So if we go tab to grab the pad, usually what I do is I turn it off. Hide the element so you don't really see it. It just does its job of excavating. It's an excavator. Okay, now it looks like these pads are not as thick. Oh, they're only 10 inches and these are 12. So can we do an edit cut profile on this? I would think they'd probably want to keep these level, so I don't think they'd want to have to build that up. I would rather take this. We're seeing the beam and not the post beyond, and take this and go edit type. Is there a 48 by 48 by 12? There isn't. Let's go duplicate, go in here, create a 48 by 48 by 12, 1 foot thickness, hit apply, hit OK. That changes that guy, but now we need to change these guys. Let's do that from our footing. Click on here. Which one was that? That was this guy? Yes, so let's do our match type, modify, match type, this guy to these guys. Escape, escape. Now when we open this, we'll see that our other footing is down below at the same level as that. That's good. And you'll see again here our pad is doing its job. So if you go to any of these sections now, you'll see the pad in there. If we go to our 3D view, we've got our Topo surface back. And if we go to our nice cover sheet view, we've got that back inside of there. Looks like our curb, our ground, let's fix our, let's drop down this. Let's pick on here and say edit surface. Okay. I'm going to zoom in and pick all these points. Watch. Big window box. It's going to say they're all at -2 feet. I'm going to go -2 foot 6. Click out. Finish. Just dropped all the grade down there by 6 inches. Back to my 3D view. I think that's a little more curb. Oh, you know what else we need to do? We need to do our subregion.